Dear student, today I will discuss about industry. Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals or provision of service. In this chapter, I detail discuss about types of industries. Industrial work related from secondary activities. Secondary activities are those that involve processing of natural resources. Manufacturing is a secondary activity. Manufacturing refers to changing raw materials to a product. On the basis of raw material, industries classified in four categories: agro based, mineral based, marine based and forest based industries. Agro based industries use plant and animal based products as their raw materials. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries are example of agro based industries. Mineral based industries. Mineral based industries are primary industries that use mineral ores as their raw materials. The products of these industries feed other industries. Iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry. This is used as a raw material for the manufacture of a number of other products such as heavy machinery, building materials and railway coaches. Marine based industries. Marine based industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. Industries processing seafood or manufacturing fish oil are example of marine based industry. Forest based industries utilize forest product as a raw material. The industries associated with forest are pulp and paper. On the base of size, industries can be classified into a small scale and large scale industries. A small scale industry where the products are manufactured by hand by the artisans. Basket weaving, pottery and other handicrafts are examples of cottage industries. Small scale industries use larger amount of capital and technology as compared to large scale industries that produce large volumes of products. Investment of capital is higher and the technology used is superior in a large scale industries. Silk weaving and food processing industries are small scale industries. Production of automobiles and heavy machineries are large scale industries. On the basis of ownership, industries are classified into private sector, public sector, joint sector and cooperative sector. Private sector industries are owned by individuals or a group of individuals. Example, Reliance Industries and Tata Industries in a private sector industries. The public sector industries are owned and operated by the government, such as Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is a public sector industry. Joint sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individuals. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industry. Cooperative sector industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both. Amul is one such industry as an example of cooperative sector industries. Factors affecting location of industries. The factors affecting the location of industries are the availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, and market. Industries are situated where some or all of these factors are easily available. Sometimes the government provides incentives like subsidies, power, lower transport cost, and other infrastructure for establishment of the industries. Industrial system. An industrial system consists of inputs, processes, and outputs. The inputs are the raw materials, labor, and cost of land, transport, power, and other infrastructure. The processes include a wide range of activities that convert the raw material into finished product. The outputs are the end product and the income earned from it. In case of the textile industry, the inputs may be cotton, human labor, factory, and transport cost. The processes include gaining, spinning, weaving, dyeing, and printing. The output is the shirt,